Have you ever imagined wearing a ring that can answer your calls? Or using a pen that secretly records video? I'm MIraz, and you're watching MIraz Tech. Today, we're diving into 8 mind-blowing gadgets that'll make you feel like the future is already here. Let's get started. Imagine controlling your phone without even touching it. The Xenxo S-Ring makes that possible. This tiny, stylish ring connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and gives you access to your calls, notifications, music, and even emergency alerts right from your finger. You can answer a call just by holding your hand to your ear. How futuristic is that? And it's not just fancy, it's actually useful. Whether you're running, driving, or working out, you don't need to grab your phone every time it rings. It even comes with fitness tracking and secure data storage. It's sleek, it's smart, and honestly, it feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Would you wear this futuristic ring in your daily life? Comment below. I'd love to know what you think. At first glance, it's just a regular pen. But look closer, and you'll realize it hides a secret. Inside this 24-koopy rolling paper pen, there's a built-in roll of paper you can pull out anytime. Spilled coffee on your desk, need a quick note? This pen's got you covered. You can write, tear, and use it as a mini cleaning or jotting tool. It's quirky, but surprisingly practical. This kind of creativity is what I love about modern gadgets. They take something ordinary and make it unexpectedly smart. Would you carry one of these in your bag? I think I definitely would. Okay, this next one is straight out of a spy movie. The Invisible Ink Pen lets you write messages that are completely invisible to the naked eye. No one can see them until you shine a UV light and suddenly your hidden message appears. You can use it for games, fun notes, or secret messages with friends. Imagine writing good luck on a test paper or a secret code for your best friend, only visible under a UV light. That's pretty cool, right? It's simple but surprisingly fun, and it definitely brings out the inner spy in everyone.
Now, this gadget is tiny, so tiny that most people wouldn't even notice it's there. The 24-koopy MP3-foot mini wireless earpiece fits right into your ear, completely hidden, but gives you full wireless control over calls and music. You can listen to lectures, podcasts, or take calls, all hands-free, totally discreet. It's like having a personal assistant whispering information directly into your ear. Of course, it's meant for smart, productive use, not for cheating on exams or sneaky stuff. Still, it's one of those how is this even real kind of gadgets that shows just how far technology has come. Now this one is both fun and fascinating. The spy camera pen looks like a regular pen, you can actually write with it, but hidden inside is a full HD camera. It can record video, capture photos, and save them directly to a memory card, all without anyone noticing. Perfect for vloggers, reviewers, or even people who love capturing behind-the-scenes moments secretly. It's a creative tool disguised as a simple pen. Imagine you're in a meeting and you record the whole thing without ever pulling out your phone. Pretty slick, right? If you had this pen, what would you record first? Let me know below. Now, here's something for people who love relaxing but hate neck pain. The lazy glasses let you watch TV, read a book, or use your phone while lying flat on your bed. How? They use a 90-degree prism lens that bends the image from your screen to your eyes, so you don't have to tilt your head. It's super simple, but feels revolutionary the first time you try it. Great for binge watchers or anyone who just wants to chill comfortably. Lazy? Maybe. Brilliant? Absolutely. Honestly, I could see myself using this every night.
Get ready for the world's smallest phone, the Zanco Tiny T1. This phone is so tiny it fits right between your fingertips. But don't let the size fool you. It can make calls, send texts, store contacts, and even has a working display. It's not designed to replace your smartphone, but as a backup or novelty device, it's awesome. Take it to a party, show your friends, and watch their jaws drop when they realize it actually works. It's proof that sometimes smaller really is smarter. Now this last one looks completely ordinary, but it's hiding a big secret. The Magic Calculator V3 looks like a regular calculator you'd use in school or at work, but inside it's a cleverly disguised multi-tool gadget. You can store music, documents, photos, and even passwords, all secretly inside the calculator. It functions like a real calculator too, so no one would ever suspect a thing. Perfect for students, office workers, or anyone who likes keeping things private. It's both practical and sneaky, in the best way possible. Would you use something like this just for fun or to hide your top secret files?
If you enjoyed discovering these amazing gadgets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to MIraz Tech for more awesome tech every single week. We bring you the coolest innovations, crazy devices, and smart tools that make life easier and a lot more fun. Thanks for watching. This is MIraz from MIraz Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.